Hello everyone, this is Mohammed from the Saimedha Coaching Center, Koti, Hyderabad. So welcome to the question series of the mathematics shortcut tricks. So in our last video, like part 11, part 12, we have taken the topic as periodicity. In periodicity, we have taken the concept question, and that conceptual questions, how we can solve by using the shortcuts. What are the time saving results? By seeing the question, how we can solve the same question within less period of time. Okay, solve in 3 seconds we have taken over there. Okay, now in this video, in this part also, we'll be taking the most important question of the periodicity, means maximum times we can get this type of question over there. So that question we'll be discussing in this part. Okay, part number 13. So the students, those who want to start the preparation for the Ecet 2026, the best and only option, that is Saimedha Coaching Center, Koti, Hyderabad. In Saimedha, already the classes has been started and admissions are in progress. If you want any more information, I'll be providing the number over there. You can contact on that number. Now, let us continue first of all. Then I'll be telling you what is the importance of this shortcuts what we are having. The importance of time saving results. The importance of observations. Because in mathematics, 50 questions will be getting in the Ecet examination. That complete 50 questions we have to solve in a less period of time, because if you are taking more time means we can't attempt all the questions, all the 200 questions we can't attempt over there. So for managing all the questions, for attempting all the questions correctly, we should know some of the observations, we should know shortcuts what we are having, we should know the tricks of what we are having. Okay, that complete shortcut tricks will be given by Saimedha Coaching Center, Koti, Hyderabad. Now let us see the question over here, periodicity. So in this, the question is the period of sin x plus cos x is given. Means we have to find out the period of this function. What is the function we are having over here? See this part. F of x. F of x is equal to, we are having this function sin x plus cos x. This is our function. For this function, we have to find out the period. So what is a condition which we can call it as a periodic function? Means we are having one condition that f of x is equal to f of t plus x. This is a condition we are having over here. So if this condition is satisfied, then what we can call it as a periodic function. Then what is period? We have to find out the period now. So this t value what we are having over here, this t value we have to call it as what? A period of that function. So this t value, it can be number of values we can consider, but least positive value. Suppose we are having pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, number of values we are having. For all that number of values, that condition is getting satisfied. But we can't consider all the values now. Then in that you have to consider what is the least positive value, that will become what? A period. This is a condition we are having. Now let us use this condition. So as we are having f of x, now in the place of x, what we have to write? T plus x. So let us write t plus x over here. So f of t plus x is equal to, over here also, where we are having x, we have to write a t plus x, sin of t plus x plus cos of t plus x. Okay, like this we have taken over here. Now we have to consider some t values. As you can see, we are having t values pi by 2, pi, 2 pi, like that number of values is already given over here. Let us consider that values. So t is equal to pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, or else directly you can use the options what we are having. Okay, now let us take case number 1. So according to case number 1, what we are doing means if t is equal to pi by 2. Now we are taking t is equal to pi by 2. Then what we are getting over here, f of pi by 2 plus x is equal to sin of pi by 2 plus x plus, next what we can write over here, cos of pi by 2 plus x. Like this we have taken. Now pi by 2 is 90. 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta, second quadrant. Second quadrant means sign will be positive. So we are getting this answer as positive. But 90 means we have to change now. So if you are changing means it will become what? A cos x. Okay, this part is completed. Again 90 plus theta means second quadrant. Second quadrant, cos will be negative. Negative means we have taken minus. 90 means we have to change, means it will become what? A sin x. So the function is sin x plus cos x, but we are getting the answer as what? A cos x minus sin x. So the condition is not getting satisfied. Okay, now let us take case number 2. So if you are taking case number 2 over here, now what we are getting, if t is equal to pi. Okay, then now we are taking f of pi plus x is equal to sin of pi plus x plus cos of pi plus x. Like this we have taken, which is equal to. Now what is the meaning of pi now? 180. Okay, 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta means which quadrant? Third quadrant. In third quadrant, sign will be what? Negative. 180 means no change, means we are getting minus sin x. Again, cos will also be negative only. Minus 180 means no change, means cos x. So minus sin x minus cos x we are getting, but the question is sin x plus cos x. Again, the condition is not getting satisfied. Okay, means pi by 2 is not getting satisfied, pi is not getting satisfied. Let us take a next is 2 pi over here. Okay, leave this 3 pi by 2. You can solve, but we'll be not getting the answer. Now let us take a 2 pi. So if you are taking 2 pi now, case 3, if t is equal to 2 pi we have taken, then now what we are taking, f of 2 pi plus x is equal to sine of 2 pi plus x plus cos of 2 pi plus x. Like this we have taken. Now what is the meaning of 2 pi? We are having 360. 360 plus theta. 360 plus theta, first quadrant, all will be positive. 360 means no change. So what is the answer for this? Sin x. What is the answer for this part? Plus cos x. Sin x plus cos x. The question is sin x plus cos x. Answer is also sin x plus cos x. Condition is getting satisfied. If the condition is getting satisfied, then what is t value we have taken? The t value we have taken it as 2 pi. So this t value will become what? A period. That's it. Okay, but again, if you are going for 4 pi, 6 pi, 8 pi, then also the condition will be getting satisfied over there. So what is the least value? 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi, 8 pi, 10 pi means what is the least value? 2 pi, least positive value. Okay, so period is equal to what we are getting? 2 pi. So this option 2 is correct. So as you can see, only one question we have taken some number of steps over there. So it is becoming like a time consuming process. Okay, it is consuming more time. Now for this type of questions, we'll be discussing one shortcut trick over here. Let us see this. What is the trick we are having? Now see this part. Suppose I'll be making one box and we'll be writing over here. What is the trick we are having? Now what we are having means, see this, first point. If f of x and g of x, f of x and g of x are periodic functions, with the period t, means both are having same period. Means one function I have taken, another function, number of functions. I have taken 2 functions over here, but it can be 3 functions, it can be 4 functions also. Okay, means if you are having the same period for the both functions, then what we can say, see this part, then period of a into f of x plus or minus b into g of x, the period of this part is also t. That's it. Is also t, because this function is having period t, this function is also having period t. So final answer for the complete question, what will be period over here? T only. Don't do addition, don't do subtraction over here. Addition means we are adding that values, minus means you are subtracting that values. Don't do that part. Okay, so if you are having same period for the functions, we have tried the same answer for the complete question. Okay, this is first case. Now second part. Now what we are having over here, say this, if f of x and g of x are periodic functions, with the period t1 and t2. Now what is the meaning of this part? T1 and T2 means different answers, different periods. So if you are getting different answers means then the period of a into f of x plus or minus b into g of x is equal to, how we have to remember this simple thing I'll be writing over here. You have to take out the LCM of the numerators and divided by HCF of the denominators. Like this you have to remember. Okay, means if you are having same period, write same answer only. If you are having different periods, for that we have to take out the LCM of the numerators and HCF of the denominators. So if you know this concept, this shortcut what we are having, we can solve n number of questions related to this part. Okay, and again I'm telling you, I have written over here 2 functions only. Whether it may be 2 functions or 3 functions or 4 functions, like that we are having, it will be applicable. Now let us go for the questions what we are having. The period of 17 tan 4x plus 35 secant 4x we are having. See this part. So we are having the question as 17 tan 4x plus 35 secant 4x. Like this I have taken. Now what is the function we are having? Tan 4x. What is the function we are having? Secant 4x. No need to concentrate on this coefficient. 17, leave that part. 35, leave that part. No need to concentrate. Only on the function what we are having over there only we have to concentrate over here. See this. So for this, we are getting the period is equal to. How to find out the period for this part means, I have already explained in the 11th video. Okay, 11th part I have already explained. Once you see that video, then you can understand very easily how to write this part. So actually we are having the formula as a period is equal to T divided by mod A. T divided by mod A. So what are the T values we are having? T values means for sin x, cos x, secant x and cosecant x, we are having the answer as T value is 2 pi. Next, tan x and cot x, what is the answer we are having? Pi. Okay, this is T value divided by A means what we are having? Coefficient of x. Coefficient of x. Like that you have to consider. So for this tan value what we are having? Pi. Pi divided by 4. This is one period. For this part what we are having now, period is equal to secant means what we are having? 2 pi. 2 pi divided by what is A value? 4. Means 2 ones are 2 twos are is equal to pi by 2. Means one answer is pi by 4, another answer is what? Pi by 2. Both are not same. If it was same, then directly we can write the answer. But we are getting different part over here. Then what we can do? See this, right over here. Pi by 4, comma. Don't write plus means plus, minus means minus. Don't write plus minus. Pi by 4, comma, pi by 2. Okay. Now which is equal to LCM of the numerators. Means 1 pi means LCM will be what? 1 only now. So 1 pi divided by HCF of the 4 and 2. Means how to find out HCF now? Let us see this. For 2 will goes in how many tables? 1 and 2. 4 will goes in how many tables? 1, 2, 4. Okay. What are the common factors now? 1 and 2. These are common factors. What is the highest common factor? 2 is the highest common factor. So the HCF of 2 and 4 is what? 2. Like this we have to find out. So what is the answer we are getting? Pi by 2. Okay. Now for first question explanation I have taken this much of time. Now from next question directly we can solve this part. Okay. Now pi by 2 means which option now? Second option is correct. Now let us see this question now. F of x is equal to sin 2x plus cos x. Like this we are having. For this function, what is the period we are having? 2 pi divided by 2. 2 cancel. Means we are getting pi. Now for this function, what is period we are having? 2 pi. Okay, 2 pi divided by 1 means 2 pi. Means we are getting 1 is pi, comma, another is what? 2 pi. Okay, like this we are getting over pi, 2 pi. Now both are different. If it was same, then directly we can write the same answer. But different we are having. Different means what we have to do? Period is equal to LCM of the numerator 1 and 2. What is the LCM of 1 and 2? 1 and 2 means 2 only now. So we are writing this part as 2 pi divided by what is in denominator? 1 only. HCF of the 1 means what? 1, which is equal to 2 pi. So 2 pi means which option? Second option is correct. That's it. So if you are not having anything in the denominator, no need to write. Okay. Now let's go with the next question now. So the period of f of x is equal to 3 sin 5x minus 4 cos 3x. So for this part, let us find out the period. What is the period we are getting? 2 pi divided by 5. For this function, what is the period we are having? 2 pi divided by 3. Okay. Both are different. Both are different means 2 pi by 5, comma 2 pi by 3. Now, period is equal to LCM of the numerator. 2 and 2 LCM means 2 only. 2 pi divided by HCF of 3 and 5. 3 will goes in only 1 and 3. 5 will goes in 1 and 5. What is the highest common factor? 1. 2 pi by 1 means what? 2 pi. That's it. Okay. So 2 pi means which option now? Second option is correct. Now, next case over here. See this part. In the place of x, it is given a over here. So what is the period? We can write period is equal to 2 pi by 9. over here this function. Now what we are having, period is equal to 2 pi by 9. Now we are getting the same answer. Same period means the period of the complete question also will become what? Same only. So 2 pi by 9 means which option? Second option is correct. Now let us take this questions over here. Okay, this is important, already asked in the Ecet examination. See this part. So for first one, if you are finding the period is equal to 2 pi divided by, what is x coefficient we are having? 1 by 2. So we are writing 1 by 2. So which means 2 we are sending to numerator means 2 to the 4 pi. Okay. Next over here this part. Now period is equal to 2 pi divided by, again what we are having over here? 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2. No need to concentrate on these numbers. No need to confuse. 1 by 2. Again 2 we are sending over there means what? 4 pi. So this is also 4 pi. That is also 4 pi. Same answers means same you have to write. So the period for the complete question is what? 4 pi. Option 4 is correct. Now let us take this question. Now maximum the students will be confusing in this type of question over here. No need to worry. Same concept we have to follow. Over here only two functions we have taken until now. If it is 3 functions, if it is 4 functions, apply the same part over here. See this. How many functions we are having? This is one sin x. This is second is cos x. Next is sin 2x. Next is what? Cos 2x. No need to write plus. No need to write minus. No need to write divide. Only we have to find out the period for these 4 functions. What we have to find? We have to find out the period for these 4 functions. If it is same, then write the same answer. If it is different, then what we have to do? LCM of the numerator divided by HCF of the denominator. Let us see this part. So what is the period of sin x means what? 2 pi. Okay. Next, period of cos x means what? 2 pi. Okay. Next, sin 2x means we will be getting 2 pi divided by 2. 2 cancel means what? Pi. Over here also 2 pi divided by 2 means 2 cancel means what? Pi. I have not written any plus or minus divide over here. Only have written all the periods with comma. Now you can observe all 4 are not same. Okay, if all 4 are same, then directly we can write the same answer. But it is different. Then what we have to do? Period. Period is equal to LCM of the numerator. What is the LCM? 1, 1, 2, 2. 1, 1, 2, 2 means what is the LCM? 2 only. 1, 2 LCM will be 2 only now. So we are writing this part as a 2 pi. We are not having any denominator. No need to write. Means we can write 1 over there by 1. By 1 means what? 2 pi by 1 is equal to 2 pi only. What is the answer we are getting? 2 pi. 2 pi means which option? Third option is correct. Okay. So these were the questions related to what? Periodicity. One of the most important question. So if you want to learn like this, means this type of shortcuts what we are having, time saving results what we are having over here, you will be getting all these shortcuts in one and only institute, that is Saimedha Coaching Center, Koti, Hyderabad. Okay. Now I'm telling you this with confidence that you can see the results what we have achieved in 2025. Ecet 2025. You can see over CSE first rank, EC first rank, DME first rank, Civil DC first rank, EIE first rank. Not only in Telangana as well as in AP. Now you can see this part over here. AP Ecet 2025. Saimedha Coaching Center, Koti, Hyderabad has secured ECE first rank, EEE first rank, Civil first rank, DME first rank, Chemical first rank, EIE first rank. Okay. Means in addition to the first ranks, if you are concentrating on the top 10 ranks in the Ecet 2025, you can see CSE, AP 4 ranks, TG 10 ranks we have achieved 10 out of 10. Okay. Now ECE means we have achieved 5 ranks in AP, 9 in TG. EEE means 2 in AP, 8 in TG. DME means 5 in AP, 8 in TG. Next, DC means 5 in AP, 6 in TG. EIE 3 in AP, 4 in TG. So if you are having any goal, if you are having any aim that means for preparation of the Ecet examination and you want to achieve the top rank in the Ecet examination, already the classes has been started in the Saimedha Coaching Center, Koti, Hyderabad. Hurry up, and admissions are in progress. If you want any more information regarding this, you can contact on this numbers 9849713451, 9848692598. Download the app saimedha.in. Okay, and please share this video with your friends. If you have till now not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe the YouTube channel. Thank you very much.